Next is the Academic Excellence Awardees from Grade 1 Patapan under the supervision of Ma'am Maricel F. De La Cruz. Cyrus Ann Fortuno with honors. Also a second placer in the NACOM contest. Muriel Chase Miguel with honors. Kailin Skyla P. Manalo with honors. Sofia Isabel C. Tolentino with honors. Also third placer in the MACCOM contest and first placer in the Lahat contest.
Yay!
Frances Chandria C. Vicente with honors. Also a second placer in the MACCOM contest.